Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. I'm back and to show you another kit, and this is the corset pocket kit and request by Amanda. And because I made this kit in 2019 for the special sales kit that Amanda missed out, and she liked the kit, so I make again for her. And but yeah, different from last time, but just the pocket is same and the fabric everything is different. And I make this in the with the image with this, and I think this match this very well. And also I make the insert is this one, and this is one of the it's a big kit. And nowadays I cannot make any, just make a small quantity and cannot make many. I still have one more image. When I free I can make little by little. And also I will make a big kit this time. And I also will arrange to make some small kit. Anyway, I will show you these two first. This is the image, and I think this image is quite matched with this theme. And you have four big this dress form the shape, so you can put the image here and alter. Okay, another four is small, or is layered with the felt. You see the pattern also different, so you can alter this. Okay, so this is two pattern. I will let Amanda pick choose first, see which one she prefer, and the other one, and see who interested. So this one. Okay, so the lace for the kit is this, the tangle in purple, and the trim something like that, and purple. Try to get some the color to match with this Purplelicious kit. Okay, so you have to do of these different color. This elastic, and this very soft lilac color, and so these two color. Okay, and I include this cream color ruffle to match with this, because you can see it's matched very well with the purple. And the tassel, this is Asma custom order, half meter here, it's beautiful. And this shimmer trim, and this flowering, beautiful. And the tassel, and this one, and this one, and this one, and the tassel. And this fabric, you can use it to see what you can do. And this very pale lilac color that I hand dye. So all this is the 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 7 18 19 and 20. It's 20 pieces for laces here. And I'll show you the some apricots, okay? And you got this piece here, and the big piece you can cut it out, the flower. So you got many here, and one tassel with the color, and this beautiful rhinestone trim, and you've got 2 pieces of this and you can cut all this. You got 5 here and another 2 here, and I got give one set of this in the I got one black one. See, maybe sometimes people want this one and one black one, so I'll give you one set of this set here. Nala, it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, lock here. Yeah, lock Nala inside the cage and she want to come out because we want to bring her go to the doctor. Yeah, so all this is I count this in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 items here. Okay, and I'll show you the flower. You got this big one, another different, and these 2, and these 2 different one. And here all this you have 4, actually is 1, 2, 3, 4 different, 4 different color of this one with the rhinestone velvet flower. It's very beautiful. I have 1, 2, it's 4 different colors here. Very cute flower. So you have 4 different colors here. 4 or 5. 5, I think it's 5. Let's check. Yeah, you have the bright color. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 each color. Okay. 1, 2, 3. This is almost the same, but this is a purple. I think slightly different, or anyway, I'll put them all together. Yeah, it's different. Yeah, different. Okay, 4 different color, 5 each color. So we got all this beautiful tiny flower, and this you got 2 different color, and one of these and one of these, and one dangle and one piece of this. Yeah, all this is the item for this kit, and only have one other bowl because one Amanda already took one, so yeah, only have one. So if you're interested, just leave a comment in the under the leave your order in the comment. Okay, I will come back and show you another is a small kit that I made. Okay, and thanks again for everyone for your support.